Hello friends, in this video we learn about extraction of aluminium from its main ore bauxite. In the extraction of aluminium involves two steps. The first step is concentration of bauxite or Bayer's process. Bauxite is the main ore of aluminium. Bauxite contains Al2O3, that is aluminium oxide, in 30 to 70%, while remaining portion is gangue, which is made up of silica SiO2, ferric oxide Fe2O3, titanium oxide TiO2. These impurities can be removed and finally pure alumina is obtained in Bayer's process. First of all, in Bayer's process, this ore bauxite is crushed, ground in a ball mill. After that, it is leaching with caustic soda NaOH or aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide at 140 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius temperature under high pressure for 2 to 8 hours in a digester tank. Aluminium oxide being amphoteric in nature, amphoteric means it dissolves both acids as well as bases. That is called as a amphoteric oxide. Being amphoteric in nature, it dissolves with aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide and to form water soluble sodium aluminate. This reaction is as follows. Al2O3.2 times S2, this is bauxite, reacts with aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide 2 times NaOH. There is formation of 2 times NaAlO2 plus 3 times S2. Means here water soluble sodium aluminate is formed. After that, second impurity is that iron oxide. Iron oxide does not react or dissolve with concentrated caustic soda NaOH, and therefore it can be separated, it can be removed by filtration method. SiO2, that is silica, is also impurity present in the bauxite, but this SiO2 reacts with aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide and there is formation of sodium silicate along with water. This reaction is as follows. SiO2 plus 2 times NaOH, there is formation of Na2SiO3. This is a sodium silicate with water, that is S2O. Means water soluble sodium silicate is also formed there. The above obtained sodium aluminate, that is NaAlO2, is diluted by adding water and then it is cooled at 50 degrees Celsius temperature. Then PPT of aluminium hydroxide is obtained, that is AlOS taken thrice. This reaction is as NaAlO2, this is sodium aluminate, plus 2 times S2O, there is formation of NaOH, sodium hydroxide, plus AlOH thrice. This is aluminium hydroxide. This is the PPT of aluminium hydroxide. The obtained PPT of aluminium hydroxide is first of all filtered, then dried, after that washed, and is calcined at 1000 degrees Celsius temperature. Then we obtain pure alumina. This reaction is as follows. 2 times AlOH taken thrice is heated up to 1000 degrees Celsius. Then there is formation of AlO2 3 plus 2 times S2O. The AlO2 3 is the pure alumina, and in base process we obtain pure alumina, that is Al2O3. After that, second step in the extraction of aluminium from its main ore bauxite is the electrolytic reduction of pure alumina. Pure alumina is obtained in base process. Now we have to electrolyze this obtained pure alumina by electrolytic process. In this process, this alumina is electrolyzed in a large steel tank. Means molten mixture of alumina is added in a steel tank. This steel tank inside lined by graphite, and this graphite acts as cathode, while a set of carbon electrodes or set of graphite electrodes are dipped in the molten mixture of alumina. They act as anode. The melting point of molten mixture of alumina is more than 2000 degrees Celsius, so that cryolite Na3AlF6 and fluorspar CaF2, they are added in the molten mixture of alumina to reduce its melting point up to 1000 degrees Celsius. After that, when electric current is passed through the molten mixture of pure alumina, then aluminium is deposited at the cathode, and being heavier than that of electrolytes, it is collected at the bottom of steel tank, and from there it is removed. It is collected from time to time from the outlet which is present at the bottom of large steel tank, while oxygen gas is liberated at anode, and then there is formation of CO2. Means oxidation of anode happen there, and due to oxidation these anodes has to be replaced, has to be removed from time to time during the process of electrolytic reduction of pure alumina. Electron reactions, anodic reaction and cathodic reaction. First, anodic reaction. 2 times O minus 2. There is formation of oxygen gas, that is O2 plus 4 electron. This is oxidation. Cathodic reaction, Al plus 3 plus 3 electron. There is formation of aluminium. This is reduction reaction. In this way, Aluminium extracted. In this way, aluminium is extracted from its main ore, bauxite. Hello friends, in this video we learn about extraction of aluminium from its main ore, bauxite. In the extraction of aluminium involves two steps. The first step is concentration of bauxite or Bayer's process. Bauxite is the main ore of aluminium. Bauxite contains Al2O3, that is aluminium oxide, in 30 to 70%, while remaining portion is gangue, which is made up of silica SiO2, ferric oxide Fe2O3, titanium oxide TiO2. These impurities can be